This assignment is not that much more difficult than the previous one, except that I came up with some ways to have it do some more fun things. But the only real difference is using buttons now to control our timer rather than doing it with just a mouse click. So here I have a basic program that just counts up everything that you just did in the last one with some, oops, didn't mean to hit save, but this is like the last one. And if you take a look at what is it that I'm trying to do? Oh, yes. Okay. I want to make some buttons. Okay. So let's just say we have a start button, which equals the ability to add a button called start. And hey, I'll make my function called start. And I could have a stop button, I could have a reset button, right? So I just create a bunch of buttons here. And all you have to do is with these buttons is create one function at a time that can handle these things. So I have three new functions I have to be able to do. So let's just do I'll just do one of them for you, and that is if we have a start function. So what happens if we press the start button? Well, our timer, which I called game timer, it starts. Now down here, it already starts. So let's just get rid of that. And then here, you would have something that happens when you press stop, something that happens when you press reset. And so I run that. I didn't change the... So it just goes, I started it, so it starts, right? I didn't actually change all those things, but that's the basic idea. So it's really easy to add buttons to do things, and the nice thing is these buttons really just have one quick function, and that's all they have to do. The reset, you have to think about a little bit. What happens when you reset? So that one has maybe two or three things that have to happen rather than just one, but that's the only difference in it. So it's pretty easy to create buttons.